ever wondered why your baby gets hiccups after eating? It's a common occurrence and nothing to worry about. When your baby feeds, they swallow air along with their food. This air gets trapped in the stomach and creates pressure. Hiccups are simply an involuntary response to this pressure. Bottle-fed babies are more prone to this, as they tend to swallow more air. While breastfeeding, ensure your baby's mouth covers the entire areola, not just the nipple, to reduce air intake. For bottle feeding, use an angled bottle or a bottle with a vent system. And remember, always burp your baby after feeding to release trapped air. So, the next time your little one hiccups after a meal, know it's just their little body's way of adjusting to the new world of eating. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.